Namaste. In this class, we are going to see about a topic. It's a beautiful topic. What is that in the sense? Know the power of your thoughts. In the last class, we have seen about the power of your words. Just like that, the thoughts also have its own power. So, in this class, we are going to see about that. What does that see here? Change your world. If you want to change your world, if you don't like the past life, then you want to change your world. What you have to do? By changing your thoughts, you can make your world in a different way. So, what are those thoughts and how we have to think? Everything we are going to see in this class. See, we live in a world of thoughts. Every day, day by day, what we think, what are the thoughts running in our mind, how many thoughts are running in our mind in the sense it's approximately 65,000 of thoughts are running in our mind. It may be positive or negative. Sometimes we think major it is negative. So what we have to do, if you want our life become a beautiful life, we have to switch our thinking from negative to positive. If we change our thinking from negative to positive, automatically you can change your world. See here, nobody can make you to be happy from outside. It is you. You have to make yourself happy. So you have to understand yourself and you have to change your thoughts, or you switch your thoughts from negative to positive. Automatically your life will be happy. You only know what you are thinking, not the others. So why? It is you. It is you. You only make your life very happy. And it all the life, your happy life, all begins with your thoughts. What you are, what you think, how you want to be, that it depends on your thoughts only. What are the thoughts in your mind that change your life? So, to make your thought perfect and qualitative, if you want to make your thoughts perfect as well as qualitative, you have to understand the link between the thoughts, emotions, and behavior. To make your thoughts perfect and qualitative, I told you that you have to understand the link between thoughts, emotions, and behavior. How your thoughts, your emotions, and the behavior that we are going to see here. See, if you're, for example, if your thoughts, if your thoughts are negative, that, see, for example, you are a businessman, you are running a business, but your business is not running in a proper way, in the sense your thoughts starts to think negatively. So you're continuously you're thinking negative part, that I can't do this, I won't success in my business, and how can I run this business, like that. If the negative thoughts run in your mind, then you feel down. You are saying such words, I am worthless, and those words discourage you, and sometimes you may go in a depression level. Okay, at that time, if your thoughts are like that, and it is continuously the thoughts are negative, then how your body reacts according to your thought, that is, your body shut down, you become dull, you become inactive, and the slumps your shoulder, you'll be like this, your shoulder will be like this automatically, and no confidence, among you, your confidence level drops down. Okay, these are the results if your thoughts are negative. If your thoughts are negative, I shown you all those things, isn't it? So if your thought is positive, how it will be, we are going to see now. See, now we are thinking, all your thoughts are positive. For example, I can do this, I can do this easily, I can succeed very easily, no problem, I can manage this. Like such thoughts, if it is run in your mind, what happens inside you, in the sense it triggers your emotions, all those positive thoughts triggers your emotions, and how your body reacts for this also you can see. It makes your body straight. You will stand straight, and you're unbeatable, and your body is so energized if you give a positive thoughts to your mind. So always think positively. If you think positively, your life becomes very, very beautiful. So that is what, come here, how you think, how you feel, that is having the direct impact on your life. That is how your body reacts. So if your thoughts are healthy, your body also reacts according to that. If your thoughts are negative, your body also according to that it reacts. Okay, so if you are continuously thinking negative, you will be go to depression level. So always think positive and make your life so happy. Thank you so much.